Although it's still early days in her new training environment, freshly crowned World Female Athlete of the Year Elaine Thompson-Herah has her sights set on breaking the 100 and 200-meter world records in 2022.
Being just 5/100ths of a second off equaling Florence Griffith Joyner's 100 meters world record of 10.49 seconds and 34/100ths of the 200 meters mark of 21.34, triple Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah likes her chances of breaking both next season.
I would say both. Nothing is wrong with having both records beside my name, history created, but I'm just taking it one at a time. If I get the 100 first, no problem. If I get the 200 first, no problem. It's a record.
With only a bronze over 60 meters from 2016, Thompson-Herah is undecided about challenging for gold at the World Indoor Championship set for Belgrade in March next year.
Well, I normally do indoors every year, like 2 races. I have the indoors on my schedule, but I'm just working in this process right now to see what comes after. I want to do indoors, but at the moment I'm not fully decided on what I will do, but I definitely will challenge 2 races, of course, but I am not decided fully on the world indoors yet, but I would love to challenge that.
The Jamaican speedster will assess each of the next 3 seasons as she seeks to dominate at the 2 World Championships in Oregon 2022 and Budapest in 2023, as well as the Paris Olympics in 2024. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.